Hey, how are you doing today? In this video, I want to talk about the benefits of writing and how to develop the writing habit. Writing has so many benefits. It improves your thinking, helps you learn anything faster, and create new opportunities. But writing regularly is very hard. I used to struggle a lot to write every day. So what can we do to develop the daily writing habit? I think writing is so underrated. It's like exercising. Exercising can help you live longer, makes you happier, and many other things for completely free. Writing is the same. You can get many benefits for free. I think there are internal and external benefits of writing. The biggest internal benefit is that it improves your thinking skill. When you try to write about something in your words, you need a deep understanding of the idea to be able to explain it clearly. As Andy Matchak says, writing is a great way to put pressure on your thinking. It's hard to summarize something you don't sharply understand. By trying to explain an idea, you naturally try multiple framings, flesh out its edges, and see new connections. This is the same idea as Feynman technique, which is one of the most powerful studying techniques where you try to explain an idea in plain words. And if you can't explain it well, that means you haven't really understood the idea well yet. This is why Richard Feynman said he could only determine whether he understood something if he could give a lecture on it. And writing in your words is almost the same as giving a lecture, because they're both about explaining an idea plainly to an audience with no prior knowledge about the idea. So if you can't write about something clearly, that means you don't understand it well. Like David Perell says, an empty white page is a mirror into your mind. When the ideas in your mind are clouded, so are the words on the page in front of you. So writing is the best way to accelerate your learning and sharpen your thinking skill. However, the benefits of writing is so much more than that. There are some external benefits of writing if you share your work online. Sharing your writing is the best way to build your network and create new opportunities for yourself. When you share your work online, it works as your permanent wingman for personal and career opportunities. Now your writing is going to attract interesting people and opportunities for you 24/7, instead of you having to go around to find them. This is how you create luck for yourself. To quote from David Perell again, luck is absolutely something that can be manufactured. If you publish content, blogs, podcasts, or videos, people will discover and reach onto you. They'll open doors you didn't even know existed. I can confirm this is true. I've met so many cool people, and most of them are the ones who found me through my writing or my videos. But if you want to know more about why you should share your work online, check out my video about learning in public. Anyway, this is why you should write. You can get all of these benefits for free, but only if you can write consistently, which is the hardest part. So how can we build the habit of writing every day? I want to share my 3 favorite strategies to develop the writing habit. The first strategy is to make writing your default action. What that means is that when we are in free time doing nothing, our default action is mindless internet browsing. So for example, when you're on your laptop, you just start browsing on YouTube or Twitter without any purpose. But if you set your default action in free time to writing, you'll suddenly have lots of time for writing. So whenever you got nothing to do and you have your laptop with you, just open any writing app you use and start writing rather than going on YouTube or Netflix. But you may ask, what should I write about? Well, I'd say write about what you read. Every day you come across lots of interesting articles, books, and videos. You want to save them to your idea storage like Pocket and Notion so you can read them later. And when you got free time for writing, open your idea storage and read 2 or 3 articles you saved. You might want to make highlights and then write about what you learned and what you thought while looking at the highlights. You may be wondering, okay, how much should I write in a day? Should I try to write like 1,000 words? This leads to my second strategy. Set the number of notes you want to make in a day rather than trying to write like 1,000 words. Maybe it's just me, but I don't like the idea of having a writing goal based on the number of words you write. Because writing is not quite a linear process. Sometimes you can write 1,000 words in 30 minutes, but sometimes you can write only 10 words in 3 hours. So trying to write like 1,000 words every day is really tough and not a great idea if you're trying to develop the writing habit. Instead, I think your goal should be taking, say, 3 notes a day. It doesn't matter how many words you write, as long as you make 3 notes every day. You can just read the articles, books, and videos you saved and take notes about 3 things you learned. In my experience, this is so much easier to stick with than trying to write 1,000 words. By the way, this is what Niklas Luhmann did, a German sociologist who developed the Zettelkasten note-taking system. He had the habit of taking about 6 notes every day, and he continued doing it for years and years, which allowed him to build a huge knowledge base. Finally, my advice is to schedule a time slot dedicated for writing. I always schedule at least 1 hour for writing and taking notes every day. I think if you want to do something, you should schedule it, using time blocking rather than adding it to your to-do list. By scheduling it and having a dedicated time for writing, you give yourself no options but to write. So right now, you should open your calendar and make a time slot for writing. It doesn't have to be 1 hour, it can be like 30 minutes if you're busy. The point is to have dedicated time for writing. In summary, I talked about why writing is underrated and has so many benefits like improving your thinking and attracting new opportunities. Then I talked about how to develop the writing habit by making writing your default action, set your writing goals to taking 3 notes a day, and scheduling a time slot for writing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or want to connect with me, feel free to send me a DM on Twitter. Thank you, bye!